Google Cloud Generative AI Leader. More free questions at dotCreds.com. Question 1. What does Google Cloud's Responsible Innovation Team primarily guide? A. AI Principles Implementation. B. Advanced Technology Development. C. Enterprise Product Selection. D. Ethical Considerations. Take a moment, then we will review the answer. Concept tested. Responsible AI. The correct answer is A. AI Principles Implementation. The indicates that the Responsible Innovation Team guides how Google's AI principles are put into practice across the company, informing Google Cloud's approach to building advanced technologies. Why this matters? This is important because proper guidance ensures that ethical and responsible practices are integrated into all aspects of AI development and use within Google Cloud. Question 2. What is a key feature of generative AI as described in the Google Cloud Prompt Design Introduction? A. It creates new content based on learned patterns and user prompts. B. It generates data using predefined templates only. C. Generative AI relies solely on existing datasets for output generation. D. It uses machine learning to predict future trends. Take a moment, then we will review the answer. Concept tested. Generative AI concepts. The correct answer is A. It creates new content based on learned patterns and user prompts. This is accurate because generative AI generates new content by understanding patterns from data and responding to user inputs, which allows for flexibility and creativity. Why this matters? Understanding this concept helps in designing effective prompts and leveraging the full potential of generative AI systems. Question 3. According to the Vertex AI RAG engine overview, what aspect of generative AI opportunities should be evaluated for ethical considerations? A. Risk assessment. B. Feasibility. C. User impact. D. Ethical considerations. Take a moment, then we will review the answer. Concept tested. Business value. The correct answer is A. Risk assessment. A is correct because risk assessment evaluates potential ethical risks associated with generative AI. B is incorrect as feasibility focuses on practical implementation rather than ethical considerations. C is incorrect since user impact assesses how well the technology aligns with user needs, not ethical implications. D is incorrect as ethical considerations are a broad category and not specifically an evaluation aspect. Why this matters? This is important because risk assessment helps identify potential ethical issues before implementation. Question 4. According to the Vertex AI Generative AI Overview, what is a key aspect of responsible AI? A. Ensuring fairness. B. Creating new content based on learned patterns and user input. C. Improving model accuracy. D. Enhancing data privacy. Take a moment, then we will review the answer. Concept tested. Responsible AI. The correct answer is A. Ensuring fairness. A is correct because it aligns with Google's commitment to ensuring fairness in AI systems, which is a key aspect of responsible AI. Why this matters? This is important because ensuring fairness is crucial for building trustworthy and accountable AI systems that serve diverse user needs. Question 5. According to the documentation on generative models, what input is required for generative AI to produce new content? A. Learned patterns and user prompts. B. Predefined templates and rules. C. Static datasets and algorithms. D. Machine learning pipelines. Take a moment, then we will review the answer. Concept tested. Generative AI concepts. The correct answer is A. Learned patterns and user prompts. A is correct because generative AI uses learned patterns from data and user prompts to create new content, as per the documentation on generative models. Why this matters? This is important because understanding the input requirements ensures effective use of generative AI models for content generation tasks. Question 6. Which statement best describes how to evaluate opportunities for generative AI in a business context? A. Generative AI opportunities should be evaluated for business value, feasibility, risk, and user impact. B. Feasibility and risk are unrelated to AI adoption. C. Business value should never be considered for AI projects. D. AI projects should be chosen only because a model is trendy. Take a moment, then we will review the answer. Concept tested. Google Gen AI value. The correct answer is A. Generative AI opportunities should be evaluated for business value, feasibility, risk, and user impact. This approach ensures that AI initiatives align with the organization's strategic goals. Why this matters? Understanding how to properly evaluate generative AI initiatives helps ensure that these projects deliver meaningful value to the organization and align with its overall strategy. Question 7. According to Google's AI principles, what is a fundamental commitment? A. Ensuring fairness. B. Maximizing efficiency. C. Increasing profitability. D. Expanding market share. Take a moment, then we will review the answer. Concept tested. Responsible AI. The correct answer is A. Ensuring fairness. The highlights that ensuring fairness is one of the core commitments under Google's AI principles, emphasizing the importance of fair treatment and opportunities for all users. Why this matters? This is important because ensuring fairness helps to build trust and maintain ethical standards in AI development and deployment. Question 8. According to Google's responsible AI practices, what is the primary mechanism for generative AI to produce new content? A. Learned patterns and user prompts. B. Predefined templates and static datasets. C. Random generation algorithms without learning. D. Human-generated scripts exclusively. Take a moment, then we will review the answer. Concept tested. Seed.002.8. The correct answer is A. Learned patterns and user prompts. This reflects Google's responsible AI practices, which highlight the importance of learned patterns and interactive user input for content creation. Why this matters? Understanding this principle ensures that developers and users can responsibly leverage generative AI technologies for various applications. Question 9. When evaluating the business value of generative AI opportunities on Vertex AI, what is a critical factor to consider? A. Feasibility. B. User impact. C. Cost effectiveness. D. Market trends. Take a moment, then we will review the answer. Concept tested. Business value. The correct answer is B. User impact. Ensuring that the technology aligns with user needs and expectations is crucial for successful implementation. Why this matters? This is important because evaluating how users will be impacted by generative AI helps in tailoring solutions to meet real-world needs and drive adoption. Question 10. What are key components of responsible AI in the context of generative models? A. Responsible AI only starts after deployment failure. B. Privacy and safety are unrelated to generative AI. C. Responsible AI includes fairness, accountability, privacy, safety, and human-centered design considerations. D. Responsible AI means hiding known limitations. Take a moment, then we will review the answer. Concept tested. Google Gen AI Responsible AI. The correct answer is C. Responsible AI includes fairness, accountability, privacy, safety, and human-centered design considerations. Understanding these components is crucial for developing trustworthy generative models. Why this matters? This is important because recognizing these principles helps ensure ethical and reliable deployment of AI technologies. More free questions at dotCreds.com.